Welcome to this comprehensive guide on the Splunk Search Processing Language strftime command. The strftime command is an essential tool that allows you to transform raw Epoch timestamps into human-readable date and time strings. This powerful function gives you complete control over how time data appears in your reports and dashboards, making your Splunk searches more meaningful and accessible to end users. The strftime command stands for string format time and serves a crucial role in data analysis. It converts Epoch time values, which are numerical timestamps representing seconds since January 1, 1970, into readable date and time formats. The basic syntax follows a simple pattern. Strftime takes two parameters, the time field you want to convert and a format string that defines how the output should appear. This flexibility makes it invaluable for creating user-friendly reports and visualizations. Let's examine a practical example of strftime in action. Using the eval command, we create a new field called readable_date by applying strftime to the _time field. The format string %y-%m-%d space %h:%m:%s tells strftime exactly how to format the output. This transforms a raw Epoch timestamp like 1,672,531,200 into the readable format 2023-01-01 space 00:00:00. Two fundamental format patterns form the foundation of most time formatting needs. For date-only display, the pattern %y-%m-%d produces output like 2023-12-25, showing the 4-digit year, 2-digit month, and 2-digit day. For time-only requirements, %h:%m:%s creates 24-hour format outputs such as 14:30:45. These basic patterns can be combined and modified to meet various reporting requirements. Understanding the essential format specifiers empowers you to create custom time formats. %y represents the 4-digit year, such as 2023. %m provides the month as a zero-padded number from 01 to 12, like 12 for December. %d gives the day of the month from 01 to 31, such as 25. %h shows the hour in 24-hour format from 00 to 23, like 14 for 2 p.m. These core specifiers form the building blocks for more complex formatting patterns. Advanced formatting patterns enable sophisticated time display options. The human-readable format using %b%d, space %y space at space %i:%m space %p creates output like December 25, 2023 at 02:30 p.m. This format uses full month names and 12-hour time with AM/PM indicators. The ISO 8601 standard format %y-%m-%dt %h:%m:%sc produces 2023-12-25T14:30:45Z, which is widely used in web services and APIs. Real-world applications demonstrate strftime's versatility in data analysis. For dashboard reporting, extracting the date using strftime with %y-%m-%d pattern allows grouping events by day for trend analysis. The stats command can then count events per report date, creating time-based summaries. For log analysis by hour, using strftime to extract just the hour with %h enables performance monitoring throughout the day. This approach helps identify peak usage periods by calculating average response times grouped by hour of the day. The strftime command is fundamental for converting Epoch timestamps into readable date strings that users can easily understand and interpret. Format specifiers like %y for year, %m for month, %d for day, and %h for hour provide precise control over output formatting. Mastering time formatting with strftime significantly improves data visualization and analysis capabilities in Splunk. Whether creating executive dashboards, troubleshooting system issues, or performing trend analysis, proper time formatting makes your data more accessible and actionable for stakeholders across your organization. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.